Understanding set pattern, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases. Our focus is on the term set pattern. This phrase is commonly used in both everyday and professional contexts, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English language skills. Let's explore what set pattern means and how you can use it effectively. The term set pattern refers to a fixed or established way of doing something. It implies a method or procedure that is regularly followed. This could be in the context of behaviors, processes, designs, or thoughts. Understanding this term is crucial as it's often used to describe routines, traditions, or standard methods in various fields. To grasp the concept better, let's look at some examples. In daily life, she follows a set pattern every morning, starting with yoga and then having a healthy breakfast. In business, the company has a set pattern for onboarding new employees, which includes orientation and training sessions. In art and design, the artist often breaks away from the traditional set patterns to create something unique. It's helpful to know synonyms and variations to expand your vocabulary. Some synonyms for set pattern include routine, standard procedure, fixed method, and established practice. These terms can often be used interchangeably, depending on the context. When using set pattern, remember, it is often used in formal and semi-formal contexts. The term can be applied across various disciplines and aspects of life. Be mindful of the context to choose the right synonym or variation. Understanding phrases like set pattern can significantly enhance your communication skills in English. Whether you're using it in daily conversations, professional settings, or academic writing, knowing this phrase will add depth to your language abilities. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep practicing, and see you next time.